Bird and Kip, cooling off. Episode 1, the hottest day ever. The sun was high in the sky, and it was very hot.
Ugh, it's so hot today,
said Bird.
This is the hottest day ever,
said Kip.
Let's go to the beach,
said Bird.
We can cool off in the water.
The two friends walked. Even the sidewalk was hot.
Ouch! My feet!
said Bird. Bird hopped from one foot to the other.
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
said Kip. Kip hopped too. They hopped all the way to the beach. The beach was crowded.
Look at all these feet,
said Bird.
I can't see the ocean,
said Kip. Bird and Kip walked through the crowd. Then they saw the water. The waves were too big for a small bird, and they were too big for a chipmunk.
We can't go in the water,
said Kip.
How are we going to cool off?
Bird and Kip, cooling off. Episode 2, Ice Cubes. It was a hot day at the beach.
I need to cool off,
said Bird.
Me too,
said Kip. Kip saw a big red box.
I wonder what's in there,
he said.
I'll look in and see,
said Bird. Bird flew over the box.
Ice cubes!
She cried.
There are ice cubes in the box!
Bird flew into the box. Kip climbed up the side of the box. He jumped into the ice. Kip went under the ice. He popped back out. Said Kip. Bird laughed.
This ice feels great,
said Kip.
Yep,
said Bird.
it doesn't get any better than this.
Hey, yelled a man. There's a bird and chipmunk in the cooler. Bird and Kip escaped fast.
That was fun,
said Bird.
Yes,
said Kip.
but I'm still hot.
Bird and Kip, cooling off. Episode 3, Ice Cream. Bird and Kip went to the boardwalk.
Even the boardwalk is hot.
Said Bird.
Let's look in the trash cans.
Said Kip.
Maybe we'll find cups with ice.
Bird and Kip looked in the trash cans. They looked near the pizza place. They looked near the hot dog place. There was no ice. But Kip saw something else.
Ice cream! Forget it, Kip.
Said Bird.
The ice cream is just for people.
Suddenly, plop! The ice cream cone landed next to them.
My ice cream cone!
Cried the boy.
I'll get you another one.
Said his mom. Kip stuck his face in the ice cream. Brrr, he said. Bird stuck her face in the ice cream.
Brrr.
She said. The friends laughed and laughed. At last, they were cool.